Today we are visiting this iconic Shinto shrine gate, or torii in Japanese. And yes, the goal is to shoot such an image with the sun behind it. However, this can only be shot at sunrise, and it's really depending on the position of the sun throughout the year. So what we're gonna get at least will be some dynamic ocean. This is our goal. That's why we came all the way to here. And actually, we are lucky that the sea is so rough. It makes for some dynamic splashes on the torii gate to the gods, and then the clouds behind are cool too. Wow! And it makes me think of those Japanese paintings, you know, the ukiyo-e, where the waves are twirled in the air. It's so much the mood of what is happening right here. Yay! I climbed all the way down. See, everybody are good kids and photographing it from here. But actually, you need to have the water. Yeah, bye! Oh my goodness. Okay, I can run in here maybe. Yo, so as usual, I am the most challenging cameraman. I'm here scared by the waves. Are they gonna crush me or not? Everybody's taking photos from here. And we are down because look at it, it's just here. Ta-da! Funny. Okay, so now the water got to splash us. Wow. Yeah, scary. So just before we got full splash. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! So much fun. Ouch. Safe. now it's really dark, and yeah, I got to walk home without shoes because my shoes are like really wet, and I think I would catch a cold if I should walk home with my wet shoes. In order to get these dynamic ocean shots, I had to climb down like this here to the water level, and guess what? I got a full splash, and thank goodness I was wearing my ski suit, so it was waterproof, but my shoes got soaked wet, and I had to walk back to the taxi stand for like 30-40 minutes with my socks on the street without shoes because the shoes were like really soaked wet and ruined. But it was an amazing experience to do this crazy stuff and start the new year with crazy but very cool and safe things. I didn't catch a cold even though it's winter, like 5 Celsius, and walking basically barefoot. Okay, I had some good socks, but yeah, this was so much fun.